We are making a delicious cake with apples, strawberry, and oats. 2 apples, we peel them, we'll cut them to small pieces, we'll put them in a blender, we'll put 2 eggs, we'll give them a nice blend. When that's done, we'll put them in a mixing bowl. Then we take a tray of strawberries, we'll clean them, wash them, we'll put them in a blender, and we add 1 egg, 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup, 1/4 of a cup of avocado oil, a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. We'll give them a nice blend and we'll pour them back in a mixing bowl. Then we take 2 cups of raw oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We'll give it a nice mix. In the meantime, we preheated the oven to 400. Now the mix is done. I take a parsnip paper, kind of crumble it up so it's a lot easier to land in the baking tray. Now we're going to put a mix right on the top. The oven is preheated. We put in the cake in the oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to take a knife and we're going to stick it right in the middle. If the knife comes clear, that means the cake is ready. If it has some cake on it, that means it needs to be cooked for a little more. I usually cook it for 10 more minutes, or you can bring down the temperature to 250 and cook it for 20 minutes. Wow, the cake looks good. It's delicious. I love having it for breakfast because I love to have something sweet but with good ingredients. And remember, how we eat is how we feel. I do enjoy taking a regular recipe and make it healthier. If you have a recipe you would like me to make it healthier, please send me an email.